Xiaomi's Redmi is introducing with its first ever smartwatch called Children's, and it's surprisingly feature packed. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The Redmi Kit smartwatch features a large 1.68 inches display with a 360 by 390 resolution, 315 ppi. This makes text, notifications and educational content bright and clear, ensuring a comfortable viewing experience for kids. It comes equipped with a 5 megapixel front camera that supports both high quality photos and smooth video calls, allowing parents to check in with their children anytime and even get a real-time view of their surroundings. The smartwatch supports full network 4G connectivity. It offers 9-layer location tracking that combines GPS, video, Wi-Fi, AGPS, and AI positioning to keep children safe and give parents peace of mind. The smartwatch can store 90 days of location history and feature safety zone settings with instant alerts. It equips a 950 mAh lithium battery that supports up to 3 days of usage on a single charge, providing long-lasting protection. The smartwatch is also designed with 20-meter water resistance, using professional-grade waterproof components and special sealing techniques. This means children can wear it while washing hands or playing in the rain without worry, though it's not recommended for showers or swimming. The watch supports children WeChat, allowing safe and simple social interaction, and also provides payment management features where parents can limit or disable usage. It also includes classroom modes and anti-addiction settings to help children focus on their studies. It comes with a 4 GB large storage capacity and supports various educational apps ranging from stories and music to subjects like math, English, and logical thinking. Additionally, it features customizable watch faces, a K12 exercise system with multiple sports modes, and robust privacy protection system with AES 256 encryption for data security. Smartwatch available prices $69 US. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.